Lucky's lifesaver action. Take one. There's a lucky penguin named Lucky. He was born on April 15, 2010 at the Santa Barbara Zoo. X-ray showed that his flipper was not developing normally like the other penguin's flippers were. Hello, this is Mr. Butler.
We need help.
Well, what do you need help with?
A penguin.
Well, what is wrong with the penguin?
It has a limp.
Okay, well, what do you need with the penguin?
A hard boot.
Okay, I will be run over. Is this Lucky?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, bye. Lucky did not like that boot, and they let them know really quick.
Ring.
Well, this is Mr. Butler.
Neat. Can we try a soft boot now?
Yes, I will be run over now. Bye. Oh, look, Lucky likes that boot. And he took off walking. Now for some fun facts about Lucky. Lucky is a Humboldt penguin.
Lucky has the name Lucky because his boot saved his life.
The end.